Hey folks, my name is Ashley Cobb, and I'll be your child's Latin teacher this year for third grade. I wanted to take a brief moment to introduce myself and let you know a little bit about what you can expect with Latin this year at Caldwell Academy. In third grade, Latin is a skills-based class. In other words, it'll be graded much like art or music or PE or computer class. Your child will receive a 1 or a 2 or a 3 based on how they do in class. Some of the things I am looking for is your child prepared? Do they bring the necessary materials to class? And how they do on vocabulary assessments from time to time. Each quarter, we will learn 2 sets of vocabulary words, spending about 4 weeks with each set of words. Your child will be making flashcards. We'll start those cards in class, and if your child does not finish those cards, they'll need to make them at homework. The cards will be kept in a little folder, a little bit like this, and as each chapter goes, we'll add those cards to this set. So that way they have a portable way of practicing the flashcards wherever they go. I also utilize something called Quizlet, which is an online flashcard service. There's no cost to use that particular website, and I'll be putting a link down in the description of this video on how to get to my Quizlet class, as well as a link to how to use Quizlet if you have additional questions on that. I'll be showing the kids how to use it in class as well, so they might be the experts to look to. If you have an older sibling who's done Latin before, they probably know how to get to the Quizlet. They can be a source of help as well. Each set of words will be followed up after 4 weeks of study with an assessment to see how well they know the words. Your child will be expected to know not only the words from the current chapter, but also words from previous chapters. So I just want you to understand that it's an introduction, and we're just looking to kind of get them used to Latin, excited about Latin. We're going to learn a little history, do some funny games and chants, and hopefully get them real excited about learning the language. If there are any additional questions that I haven't answered for you today in this video, feel free to reach out to me at ashley.cobb@caldwellacademy.org, or you can also access my email through the Blackbaud system. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you have a great day, and I'm really excited about working with you and your family this year.